Did you know India has set a bold goal to increase electronics manufacturing output from $100 billion to $500 billion by 2030? That's massive. And it's not just about numbers. This is creating one of the biggest patent opportunities no one is talking about. How will India hit this $500 billion target? There's a huge government push with production-linked incentives or PLI schemes. The link to this is in the description box for you. Global giants like Apple, Samsung, Foxconn and many more are investing here. The link to this is in the description box for you. Domestic startups in semiconductors, sensors, wearables, batteries, EVs, robotics and automation are exploding. The industry is expected to create 12 million jobs by 2027, including 3 million direct manufacturing jobs. So, what does this mean for patent professionals? Whenever an industry grows like this, there's a surge in R&D, innovation and intellectual property filings. Think about it. Every new product iteration, every chip redesign, every circuit board optimization needs a patent, must be monitored for infringement, must go through searches and analysis before launch, and must be drafted, filed, prosecuted and updated in multiple jurisdictions. That's where you come in as a patent professional. If you're a science grad or engineer, your background already fits. What you now need are skills to assist with global patent filings, tools to draft reports and prior art analysis, strategies to position yourself for Indian and international opportunities. Where's the real demand coming from? Indian startups and OEMs filing patents for the first time. Hundreds of hardware and electronic startups are creating new designs. They need help filing first-time Indian patents, often hiring freelancers or consultants. Tasks include patent searches, drafting specifications, claim review, office action responses. Foreign manufacturers setting up in India. Companies like Apple, Pegatron, Foxconn, Dixon are scaling operations under the PLI scheme. They need India-specific patent protection and often file international patents from India. India already handles 40% of global patent backend, expected to grow to 60 to 70%. Patent process outsourcing to India is booming. US and European firms are outsourcing tasks like patent drawings, docketing, IDS and bibliographic data, claim charts, monitoring reports. These don't require registration, just skill and understanding. Teams in Noida, Gurgaon, Pune, Bengaluru are already working remotely for US EP firms. But they're always short on talent. Patent examiner jobs in India will rise. India has a huge patent pendency problem. It can take 5 to 7 years for patents to be granted. To fix this, the government is hiring more patent examiners, offering 14 to 15 rupees LPA salaries to freshers with science or engineering backgrounds. After 10 years as an examiner, you're exempt from the patent agent exam, and your credibility is unbeatable if you move to private practice. There's also a parallel global opportunity. Many Japanese, European and Chinese companies prefer filing patents in the US, but US attorneys are expensive. They hire skilled Indian patent professionals to draft and revise US-style patents, conduct FTO and invalidity searches, and assist US attorneys. Thanks to TRIPS WTO agreement, India's patent system is 80% aligned with the US system. So even before clearing the Indian patent agent exam, you can earn globally while working from India. The reality is, most professionals don't know about these opportunities. Many waste time on job portals where 90% of jobs aren't listed. Without guidance, they lack skills to draft patents or conduct searches. Most don't know how to pitch to startups or freelance internationally because they've never had one-to-one guidance or feedback. That's why demand is surging, but very few people actually get into this field. So what should you do? You can become a global patent professional if you Learn how to draft patent documents for Indian and US clients. Master 5 to 6 essential search and monitoring reports. Start building a portfolio with real practice and feedback. Get trained for Indian Patent Agent exam and Patent Examiner roles. Learn how to pitch your services to startups and global firms. The best part? You don't have to wait for the exam, and you don't need to know everything about law. With the right roadmap, you can start working in just 2 to 3 months. If you want to see exactly how this roadmap works, join our free online bootcamp. We'll give detailed guidance on becoming a successful patent professional in 6 months. Book your calendars for the 3-day live bootcamp and get ready to kickstart your global patent career.